Yo, 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 yo! Hey guys, my name is Anya and today I'm gonna be reacting to BI's Waterfall performance film. Hey, so why is it just like 1 minute and like almost 2 minutes long? Okay. Is he like just gonna dance? Something? Let's just get into it. Okay. It's literally nighttime here, so I can't be as loud as I want to, and if you hear stuff, it's just the bird at my window. Okay, let's get it. That intro. Oh, that intro. Yo, BI! Yo. Yo, 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 yes, yes. Oh, yeah. He really likes shooting at night, doesn't he? The live performance of Waterfall was like at night too. In the middle of nowhere and all those grass. Yes, BI. Yeah. Yeah. BI still got it. Yo. Yeah. BI is here, everybody. It's BI. Yo. Yeah, get it, get it, get it. Where are those solar panels at the back? Makes me want to go out and sweat. Yo, 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 yo. Yes! That's me, yeah, that's you, BI. Yo. No, 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 no. Oh, that stomping feet. Ah, damn, I wish I could scream. Yo, he been practicing this for so long, didn't he? No, 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 no. Friggin' Batman. That was awesome. It's totally awesome. BI, everybody. he keeps drawing teasers and it makes me super excited for the album already. Oh, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm sorry that my voice is a little soft. It's really 11 p.m. here.